with us or not. Right now, they're not here. They're at this nice little area with a bunch of tanks, and it's pretty bloody and nasty.
And snowy.
So they've been 3 hours.
3 hours and already a lot of people died.
But I actually have a live reporter there.
Yeah, and he's equipped with some weaponry.
With some nice sticks.
With some Nazi
Baby sticks.
bamboo stick, that is. Not only are they good for the panda, they're good for the beating.
Yeah. To Tanner.
Live.
Oh, we got it. Oh, all right. Well, here in the Battle of Kursk, there is very bloody battle. We have 3,000 dead casualties already, and, well, my dog Sophie died too, so I don't know if that counts. But I have my beating stick. Oh my God. Did you hear that bomb? It's snowing here, but I can't see anything. I don't know where I am. I hear bombs. I'm going to get shot if I don't be careful here. We're gonna have to go. Oh my God, there's soldiers. We got to go now.